I often get questions that how to write journal and what to write. As New Year is around the corner and most of you set intention to write journal from 2023, I am here to tell you how and what to write in journal. Journaling is not a new thing. It's been around for thousands of years. If we do it consistently, we can see remarkable self-improvement. Most of you feel it intimidating at first. Want to know what is the exact process to write a journal? Well, there is no rules. Everyone has their own technique and it is extremely personal. You can write anything you want and any way you like. Select any topic and start writing it. It can be how was your day, stream of consciousness, future writing journal, gratitude journal, food journal, memory journal, etc. If you are a beginner and want to write journal from 2023, then start with only one topic, not more than that. I already made lots of video on topics. Link is in the description box. Please check those videos. There is no right or wrong way to journal. Feel free to write it. Don't worry about grammar, spelling, or aesthetics. No one is going to read your personal journal. It doesn't have to be beautiful or meaningful at first. Write whatever comes in your mind. At the beginning, you should set a routine. It can be any time of the year, but I prefer in the morning or before going to bed. Creating a routine can help you to stay on track and consistent. Start writing for 5 minutes at the beginning. Later, you can increase the time. If you're a beginner and don't know what to write or finding topic is difficult for you, then check online. I'll suggest Pinterest is the best platform to search topic. You can follow my Pinterest page. In journal page, you will see lots of topics of journal. My Pinterest link is in the description box. Now let's discuss about what to write. Means what are the topics you can write. First is stream of consciousness. Whatever thoughts coming to your mind, write it down without any planning or carefully thinking. Daily log is something when you journal about your day-to-day activities. What you did, what you ate, where you went, everything in detail. From the time you woke up to going to the bed, everything in detail. Gratitude journal is something before you going to bed. Write 10 things you are grateful for. It can be anything. Pillow, bed, good health, your friend, your family, your house, your laptop, your mobile, anything. Then you can write about happiness journal where you will write about the things make you happy. Then quote journal where you write all those lovely quotes you read from book or heard from movies, etc. Then future writing journal. I have made lots of video on this topic. Link is in the description box. Then you can write goals journal where you will write your yearly goals, monthly goals, weekly goals and daily goals. And last, my favorite is memory journal. You will collect all your memories and stick it to a journal. Recently, I went to Blue Mountain, from where I got this beautiful rose. The main concept of memory journal is to look back and feel those happy past moments. Apart from these topics, there are thousands of topics you can write on. Check Google or Pinterest, select any one topic and start writing it. I hope you like this video. If you have any suggestion or any queries related to journal, please comment down below. See you guys in my next video. Till then, bye.